Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the problems on Laplace transforms of f of t by t. So, next continuation problem, find L of cos 2t minus cos 3t by t. Means it is f of t by t. f of t by t from. So, we have the formula L of f of t by t equal to f bar s integration s to infinity f bar s ds. So, what is the f of t? Cos 2t minus cos 3t numerator. F of t is cos 2t minus cos 3t. So, L of f of t, that is L of cos 2t minus L of cos 3t. Formula L of cos a t formula s by s square plus a square. So, here a means 2, therefore s by s square plus 4. Here a means 3, s by s square plus 9. So, it is f bar s by s square plus 4 minus s by s square plus 9 equal to f bar s, that is the f bar s. So, by using the formula L of f of t by t equal to integration s to infinity f bar s ds. So, substitute f bar s here and integrate and substitute the limits. So, by the formula integration s to infinity s by s square plus 4 minus s by s square plus 9 ds. So, here we are multiplying with 2, dividing with 2. So, 1 by 2 outside, 2s by s square plus 4 minus 2s by s square plus 9. Because if you take s square plus 4 derivative, what is the s square plus 4 derivative? 2s plus 0, that is 2s. S square plus 9 derivative, 2s plus 0 9 derivative, therefore 2s. Means it is of the form f dash x by f of x dx, that is log of f of x plus c formula. So 1 by 2 into log of s square plus 4 minus log of s square plus 9 s to infinity. Log of s square plus 4 minus log of s square plus 9 s to infinity. So it is log a minus log b, log of a by b. Next step it will come log of a by b. So 1 by 2 into log of s square plus 4 by s square plus 9 s to infinity. So while substituting infinity, we have to take highest power of s is common. Numerator s square is common, denominator also s square is common. Common this ఏమవుతుంది, s square common means 1 plus 4 by s square, denominator s square common means 1 plus 9 by s square. S square cancel. If you substitute infinity, 1 by 2 as it is, log 1 plus 4 by infinity square, 4 by infinity means 0, so 1, and denominator 1 plus 9 by infinity square means 9 by infinity, that is 0. So log 1 by 1 means log 1. Next s means as it is, log of 1 plus 4s square by 1 plus 9s square. So 1 by 2, 0, log 1 value is 0 minus log of s square is the LCM. So numerator becomes s square plus 4 by s square, and denominator is s square plus 9 by s square. S square cancel. So s square plus 4 by s square plus 9. So if you multiply, that becomes s square plus 4 by s square plus 9. This minus becomes whole to the power of minus. It will be fraction will be reciprocal. So log of 1 by 2 into log of s square plus 9 by s square plus 4. So 1 by 2 becomes power. So log of s square plus 9 by s square plus 4 whole to the power of 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay. Next problem. Find L of 1 minus cos t by t. Here also f of t by t form. So f of t equal to 1 minus cos t. So L of f of t, that is L of 1 minus cos t. L of 1 is 1 by s. L of cos t is s by s square plus 1. Because L of k equal to k by s. L of cos a t is s by s square plus a square. Cos a t means here a equal to 1. Here k means k equal to 1. So we have the formula L of f of t by t equal to integration s to infinity f bar s ds. So substitute, this is the f bar s. Substitute in this integration L of 1 minus cos t by t. L of 1 minus cos t by t equal to integration s to infinity 1 by s minus s square, s by s square plus 1 ds. So first integration 1 by s is as it is. Second one, to get into the formula, I am multiplying, dividing with 2, that is 1 by 2 into 2s by s square plus 1. So s square plus 1 derivative is 2s. So it is of the form f dash integration f dash x by f of x dx, that is log of f of x plus c. So this 1 by x is derivative log s. Next 1 by 2 into log of 2 means 2s by s square plus 1 integration is 1 by 2 log of s square plus 1 s to infinity. Again here 2 is 1 by 2 is common, we get 2 into log s minus log of s square plus 1 s to infinity. This 2 becomes power s square. So log s square, 2 becomes power log s square minus log of s square plus 1. So log a minus log b ఏమవుతుంది అక్కడ log s square minus ఈ టర్మ్. So log a minus log b, log of a by b, log of s square by s square plus 1. Again here also highest power in denominator is common. Numerator లో 1 term ఉంది కాబట్టి ఏం కామన్ ఉండదు. Denominator లో s square common, we get 1 plus 1 by x square. S square cancel. If you substitute infinity, 1 by 1 plus infinity. 1 by infinity means 0, log 1 minus s square means as it is. Log 1 value is 0 and here take LCM. Log 1 value is 0 and here in the denominator 1 by 1 plus s square. 1 by 1 plus s square means s square is the LCM. So s square plus 1 by s square. It will becomes 1 by total, it 1 by becomes this fraction will be reciprocal s square by s square plus 1 and minus is there to remove this minus, it will be also interchanges. So 1 by 2 into log of s square plus 1 by s square. Okay, log of s square plus 1 by s square is the answer. Next problem, find L of e to the power of minus t into sin t by t. E to the power of minus t into sin t by t. So here numerator function is f of t. We have to find out this function Laplace transform, then apply the formula. Okay. L of sin t, we have the formula 1 by s square plus a square. A means here 1, so 1 by s square plus 1. So by first shifting theorem, L of e to the power of minus t into sin t, that is 1 by s square plus 1, s tends to s plus 1. So 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 1. So what is the first shifting property? L of e to the power of minus at into f of t equal to f bar of s plus a. ఏ ప్లేస్లో ఎఫ్ బార్ ఎస్ ప్లేస్లో ఎస్ ప్లస్ ఏ రాయాలి. ఏ అంటే ఏముంది ఇక్కడ, ఏ టు ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ఏటీ, ఏ మీన్స్ ఇయర్ 1. సో ఎస్ ప్లేస్లో ఎస్ ప్లస్ 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి, ఎస్ ప్లస్ 1 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1. ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఎఫ్ బార్ ఎస్. ఇదేమవుతుంది ఎఫ్ బార్ ఎస్. న్యూమరేటర్ ఫంక్షన్ టోటల్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ టీ అనుకుంటే దాని యొక్క లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ ఎఫ్ బార్ ఎస్. సో బై division property, L of f of t by t equal to integration s to infinity f bar s ds. Integration s to infinity f bar s ds. So substitute in this, we get integration L of e to the power of minus t into sin t by t equal to integration s to infinity 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 1 ds. That is tan inverse of s plus 1. Formula 1 by x square plus 1. That is tan inverse of x by a. 1 by a into tan inverse x by a. S square plus 1 means only tan inverse x. That is tan inverse of s plus 1 s to infinity. Infinity substitute చేసేమవుతుంది, infinity plus 1 infinity, tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse of s plus 1. Tan inverse infinity means pi by 2. Tan inverse of ఇది infinity means tan 90. Tan 90 అంటే tan inverse tan cancel అయి 90 వస్తుంది. Tan inverse of s plus 1 by the identity of inverse trigonometric functions, that is pi by 2 minus tan inverse x equal to cot inverse x. X ki badal emundi s plus 1, that is cot inverse s plus 1 is the answer. Okay, this is division f of the Laplace transform of f of t by t form. Next, Laplace transforms of integral of function. Integral unte ఏ విధంగా ఫార్ములా వస్తుంది. Okay, if L of f of t equal to f bar s, L of integration 0 to t f of t dt. Integration యొక్క లాప్లాస్ ఫంక్షన్ యొక్క లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ f bar s అయితే ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ దాని యొక్క ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ యొక్క ఫంక్షన్కి లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ ఇది 1 by s ఇంటూ f bar s. అదే డబుల్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఉంటే L of integration 0 to t ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ 0 to t f of t dt. డబుల్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఉంటే 1 by s square f bar s. ట్రిపుల్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఉంటే 1 by s cube f bar s అలా వస్తుంది. ఓకే. if L of f of t equal to f bar s, then L of integration 0 to t f of t dt is 1 by s into f bar s, and L of integration 0 to t L of integration 0 to t integration 0 to t f of t dt means double integration 1 by s square f bar s dash dash. This is the formula. We will see the problems in the next class on this property. Okay, complete your fair notes, and if you have any doubts, please send me a message or call to me. Thank you.